How to set 1 inch margin in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So I just take the new documents to show you. Okay, so I can rename it like 1 inch margin. Okay, I just rename it. Okay, so how can set 1 inch margins? We need to just click on this file option. Just come down and bottom you can see the option called page setup. Just click on it. Now you can see the page. You can uh, you know apply for whole documents, or you can apply for selected page. Okay, for that this is now disable, this option now disable because we did not select any page. Okay, so you need to select the page text, then you can select this option. Okay, so now we apply for all documents. Now we can see the margin here, it is in inches. So here we can select the 1 inch, top, bottom, left 1 inch, right 1 inch. You can change from here, and you can also set as a default. So whenever you open any documents, new document, this margin will be default here. Okay, just click on OK, then your margin will be changed. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.